today we are here with Nikki Peacock, the founder of Chandigarh Spinal Rehab. So we would actually want to know from you that how has the journey been for Chandigarh Spinal Rehab?
Okay, so basically it's started out in 2012 when I understood that this is what I was meant to do. It came out because of an inner search and an inner quest. So something triggered inside of me, and I started questioning what was the purpose of my life. It was an intense searching, and that led people with spinal cord injury to come into my orbit, because in the case of a spinal cord injured person, if they have a high level injury, you are completely dependent on caregivers, and that is not a very happy situation to be in, because spinal cord injury reduces you to a wheelchair, which is the smallest of their woes. But India needs a home for these people, and we have not a single home. So in 2030 we registered the organization. So we started a rehab center, which is small. We are at the moment 20 beds, but the vision is very, very big. But we needed to start small to build our credibility, to do sincere work so that the world knows that this is an organization which is not taking their duty very lightly. And we have a commitment towards empowering people with severe disabilities, and we intend to go a long way in that. Rehabilitated 130 people, 74% of them living life of productivity and dignity. It's a journey of very intense dedication and commitment. And now the government has also given us land, so there is a big project in the offing.
So tell us, how did you get to hear about smartData Enterprises?
So in this journey of Chandigarh Spinal Rehab, let me tell you, like most NGOs, the financial crunch is a huge crunch. It's very big. In fact, right now with 31st March coming up, it's a huge challenge for us. There's a friend, Vineet Khurana, who had come and seen our center, and he was inspired and moved by our work. So they were having an angel network program, and he said, I'd like to introduce you to the group here, and after that, if anybody feels like coming on board, then so be it. So I made a presentation there, and that's when Mr. Ajay was there, and he indicated from then only that we would like to give some support to her, and that's how we came forward.
Tell us, Nikki, where do you see our association going forward? I mean, smartData Enterprises with Chandigarh Rehab.
Okay, so this is a very important question for me, because, like I said, we have got land. What is very important for us is we're a very young organization, and a very committed organization, and we need support. We cannot do this on our own. Much as I can give my life to it, but I don't have the financial strength to be able to take this forward. We need partners, we need associates, we need somebody to say, okay, this is a project I would like to adopt. If we get support from an organization like smartData, because from what I have heard of Mr. Ajay Tiwari, and from what I have seen in the organization when I went there on Women's Day, it's a thinking, feeling group of people. And if organizations like that come forward and give us the support, we can change the future of disability in our country. We definitely can. And we can empower them to help them to reach to levels where people cannot conceive people with disabilities to reach. But we can take them there. We need the spirit, we need the zeal, we need the commitment, and we need the support. And having said that, if that support is there for us, if they're partners with us in this cause, we can achieve a lot.
So Nikki, tell us one thing. How do you see women in this cause and working in this cause of disability?
Yeah, so for me, women empowerment is extremely important. We are all women. So in our future project, where we're coming up with a Center of Excellence and Empowerment for Persons with Disabilities, there I intend to have a hostel for working women's hostel. So this is going to be a center where we're going to have that working women's hostel, we're going to have women. The one dictum in our place, the one mantra is every person who is there, whether it is short term or long term. When it's long term, they have to give back to life.
Yes.
Because I think it's a responsibility we have. We have been given life, let's see what we give back to life. And each one will have something to contribute. And if they don't want to do it in the campus, they can do it outside. We'll have a van which will take them outside, bring them back. They'll be safe. They'll be looked after. She's God's gift to mankind. And she has to be celebrated.
Thank you so much.